guys, we just got a Bowden Yard. We got the Florida East Coast Special Breast Cancer Awareness locomotive, and then there's also this locomotive here. And the CSX locomotive just passed. I couldn't get it on video in time, but it might come back over here. Okay, this guy's shoving back. Got a scanner I got on the phone. The Bowden Yard scanner. Okay, I'm gonna go see something, guys. I'll be right back. Yep, guys, just as I thought, 8395 is the locomotive working Bowden. This is the 4th time I've seen this locomotive, dude. The 4th time I've seen this locomotive. Also, the umbrella thing isn't working. That guy's moving fast. It's an SD40. Oh, they just turned that light on, so it's probably about to move. But that's an SD40-2, I believe, is at 8395. So I'm gonna do something, guys. CSX, I'm finding, doesn't really work Bowden too much. So it's not a little bit of a rare occurrence that they actually do. Well, they do, but they not up in front of us. And that's 8395. So 4th time I've seen that locomotive in the last like 2 months, something like that. I'll get back to you guys if he does something. He just turned his bell. Someone just turned the. Okay, that's who. That's the guy who turned the bell on. That's FEC number 510. We saw him. He was trailing on the end of the first train we saw in Bowden. There was 2 big FEC red and orange locomotives, and then they had the tank in the middle, and then behind one of the locomotives this trailing was 510, FEC number 510. So it's just kind of interesting. Got whose bell's on? I can't tell whose bell is on. I think there's a locomotive behind the 2 NS locomotives over there, guys. I think he's gonna go couple up. Is he gonna stop over there? Yeah, he is. See what he's doing. Oh. Got a CSX locomotive over there. It looks like he's going out of view. We just stopped, okay. I'll get back to you guys if I hear something. They're talking about the CSX locomotive a lot, guys. And this app is only supposed to, when you're at Bowden, it only talks about the FEC channel, so I don't know, it's kind of weird. Unless it's a, someone's bell is on. Oh, it's 5:10 I mean. Is that a CSX? No, that's not a FEC. Some crew member over there, looks like. Maybe it might be getting into that Norfolk Southern locomotive, or if not, then probably the FEC locomotive right here, number 425. Yeah. This is. I've seen this locomotive. This locomotive a couple times. Pink and blue one. Yeah, it looks like he's walking up onto it. So, oh, it looks like he's doing something with the coupler. So I guess he is gonna get on. Yeah, he's getting on. So they're gonna fire this thing up, I think. So it shouldn't take too long, just it to fire up. Oh, look at this! Look at this! This is super cool, guys. Look. So what he's doing is he's actually starting the locomotive up. He's starting it up.
Don't hit it, Curly. No, nothing.
You listen. Oh, there we go. Looks like he's about to move it because he just turned it on. I've done that a couple times with Train Sim World. So I could probably, if I really wanted to, I could probably get up there and get that thing moving properly the way, and get all the systems set up and everything the way they're supposed to. 'Cause I think I know how to do it. But BNSF? Hang on 1 second, guys. I need to look at it. Alright, guys, so I'll get back to you guys when something happens. My dad says he just saw, there's a plane there, but my dad says he just saw a light. So I guess this guy right here that we're looking at, this plane, I mean, that's gonna land at NAS Jacks, I think. And that one up there, I don't even know if I'm getting on the camera. But this plane up there, I don't know. So, but I don't hear the locomotive, but my dad said he saw a light over there coming towards us, so yeah. Oh, it's another, am I showing the plane? I don't know if I'm showing the plane. Alright, well, there's a plane above us, so. Yeah, that is not focused. Focus, my camera, okay, there we go. Alright, get back to you guys when something happens. He's gonna move now. He's got his lights on, and there it looks like the conductor or the engineer's climbing on. I think it's the engineer. Okay, there they are. So they got their lights on, if you guys can see. So I think they're about to move this thing. Sounds like they just put a little bit of power in. But
Everything marks are kicking. Be going towards 11. Perfect decibel. Run on that 4.
I'll get back to you guys when something happens. I saw the engineer just hopped in. It looks like he's sitting down now. So I think this pink and blue locomotive is about to move. I think 425. All right, there goes the conductor, guys. So I'm guessing this guy's gonna start moving any second. I hope my tablet doesn't overheat like it did last time. But luckily, I was just doing the outro anyway when it overheated. So, but not like it to overheat right now. There it goes, guys. I just ran over somewhere and then I had to come back. There it goes. I heard him start his engine up, and I was like, oh shoot, I gotta run. I had to run back. Well, when I say start his engine, I mean I heard him move the throttle up. Why no focus, Rain? Focus. There we go. That's the focus. Alright, guys. Well, there goes that guy. So, with that being said, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and please and thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.